This is a Puma L510 by 1500 center lathe. It's a 510 swing over the bed, and it's got 1500 between centers. So I'm going to take you through a few of the features of the machine. Over here you've got your headstock, and these are all your gear changes for your spindle speeds, feeds and threads. So this is the table. Warning signs. Over here that's spindle speeds, feeds. You've got a chuck cover for safety, and with the machine you get a 3-jaw chuck and a 4-jaw independent chuck. There you've got a stop, micro stop. On the screw there's a telescopic cover, and you've got a hand lubrication pump for your slides. There is one of the steadies. There's another steady on the back of the machine which hasn't been fitted as yet. Taper turning attachment, and all of this brown stuff that you see is grease, just so the machine doesn't rust. This is your carriage. Now this over here, that's just one of the handles that hasn't been fitted yet because this machine just arrived, but obviously it comes with that. You've got a quick change tool post, and it comes with tool holders, work light, and that's a safety cover for your tool post. This machine comes with a rapid traverse, so it's for longitudinal and cross. And that's a better view of your quick change tool post. Now this over here, that's for your digital readout. It does come with a 2-axis digital readout. If you have a look at another machine that's got it fitted, it's the same thing. This comes with a digital readout, but because it's just arrived and it's the only one that I have of this model to actually take a video of, I haven't put the digital readout on as yet, but it definitely comes with a digital readout. That is your other steady, and your tool posts, your 4-jaw chuck, live sensor, and just some accessories with the machine. This has an 82mm spindle bore. And there you have it. Puma 510 by 1500 manual center lathe.